moss I can feel the green. Birds in chorus where the air is clean. Rivers whisper secrets as they flow. Nature's canvas everywhere I go. Trees stand tall, they tell ancient tales. Winds carry whispers through the trails. Sunrise paints the sky in golden hues. In this wild world there's nothing to lose. Be the one to breathe in the breeze. Find your soul beneath the trees. Let the wild be your faithful guide. In the arms of nature take a ride. Mountains' majesty, they stand so high. Echoes of life in the open sky. Flowers bloom with reckless grace. Every moment is a sweet embrace. Rain falls softly on the forest floor. Nature's heartbeat, I could ask for more. Stars at night, they dance and sing. To the universe, I'm just a small thing. Be the one to breathe in a breeze. Find your soul beneath the tree.